This is a 115-ton automated assembly press. It's a hydraulic press and it makes heat exchangers. You could put 10 plates to make one this big or 200 to make it that big. The versatility of the machine is what made it kind of neat. They'll load a recipe by scanning it. The perpendicularity tool would push it so it was laterally in the center of the conveyor, and then the laser from the back measured its distance and stopped it in the center. And the laser coming down sees the top of the part. It knows from the recipe how far away from the part to stop. So this is cutting out a lot of dead time of having the ram way up high. It's already moving before the part is even in place. Since it's so automated, the sequence is so defined, a lot of buttons aren't visible all the time. They show up during certain steps. But after they finish the part, it will go out to the outfeed conveyor, and from there it will sit until a robot comes and picks it up and takes it to the next part of the process.